NAN Plastics was founded in 1958. It is one of the main businesses of Formosa Plastics Group. By the end of 2019, there were 11,537 employees. The capital was $2.56 billion and annual revenue was $50 billion. If including domestic and international investment companies, there were 32,271 employees and revenue $92.5 billion. NAN Plastics is the world's largest secondary plastics processor and also well known in polyester fiber, fiberglass cloth, epoxy resin, copper foil, and copper-clad laminates production. Based on the principle of unified production and responsible management, the corporation is divided into 10 business divisions, and a research development center, safety and health office, resource recycling units were specially established. In terms of business, we actively expand our market, improve productivity, reduce cost, enhance R&D, develop high-value and distinguishing products, increase profits, and, in the meantime, promote production optimization, automation, increase the level of smart production for our processes by actively integrating AI applications, and implement circular economy activities. Recycling is achieved through reduction, reuse, and recycling to create the maximum economic benefits. With years of expansion and development, our four main businesses are plastic processing, polyester, chemical, and electronic materials. For plastic processing products, the average monthly use of PVC resin is about 27,500 metric tons of various kinds of quality secondary process products for downstream processors. Most of the products are daily commodities, including flexible PVC sheet, compiled with RoHS and REACH certification, widely applied in construction materials, water tanks, labels, and vehicle interior products. It has the advantage of fire resistance, mildew resistance, and weather resistance. Rigid PVC sheet, used for packing materials for stationery, toys, tools, and gifts. It has outstanding formability, impact resistance, and chemical resistance. PU synthetic leather. The excellent process and technology can be applied in environmentally friendly leather for construction materials, tracks, adhesives, and TPU films. It is widely used in construction, electronic, medical, and shoes industries. Doors and windows. The main products are SMC fiberglass door, inclusive of internal doors, entrance doors, bathroom doors, fire-rated doors, etc. SMC doors offer grain texture molded fiberglass skin and the smooth skin option for door surfaces, designed to replace the solid wooden door and reduce consumption of forests. The vinyl energy-saving windows with low thermal conductive advantage of plastic achieve energy savings effects. It has great capabilities in waterproofing, air impermeability, and sound insulation, and can be used as a green building material. Plastic pipes and fittings. It has the advantage of light, acid resistance, alkali resistance, corrosion resistance, and good electrical insulation. It is widely used in construction, tap water, and electrical products. Film products. Mainly BOPP film, CPP film, PVC film, and PE film. It has the advantage of average thickness, good flexibility, and good stiffness. It is widely used in the packing material for foods, industrial, and agricultural products. Engineering plastics. It has excellent physical and processing properties and is widely used in injection molding products such as automotive, electronics, electrical, information and internet communication, and non-toxic food containers. PPP synthetic paper, including PEPA biaxially oriented products and Kappa calendar products. It is suitable for posters, brochures, labels, release paper, back of solar panels, and shopping bags. For polyester products, the total annual production capability in Taiwan, China, America, and Vietnam is 2.04 million metric tons. The main products include polyester cotton, polyester pellets, polyester processed yarn, and polyester films. We are one of the most highly automated polyester fiber factories and are renowned worldwide for developing functional, environmentally friendly, and energy-saving materials and products. At the same time, we promote optical, solar, and industrial material markets for textile, food packaging, containers, and polyester films. For chemical products, in order to relieve material shortage and promote development of the petrochemical industry and industrial upgrading, Nanya Plastics, Formosa Plastics, Taiwan Chemicals, and Formosa Petrochemical jointly invested in the 6th naphtha cracker project in Mailiao Industrial Park in Yunlin County. The total investment amount is 827.1 billion NT dollars. To develop a plant base 8 kilometers in length and 4 kilometers in width with a total of 2,603 hectares by sea reclamation. Among the chemical products we invested in Mailiao Industrial Park, the annual capacities are EG for 1.7 million metric tons, BPA for 590,000 metric tons, 1.4 BG for 100,000 tons, plasticizer for 535,000 metric tons, PA for 260,000 metric tons, 2EH for 230,000 metric tons, INA for 115,000 metric tons, MA for 72,000 metric tons, and epoxy for 160,000 metric tons. Through vertical integration of upstream and downstream, we can produce cost-effective chemical raw materials to support development of related industries such as polyester, electronic materials, and plastic processing. For the electronic materials, in response to the rapid development of the information, communication, automotive, and IoT industries, we and our associated businesses, Nanya Printed Circuit Board and PFG Fiberglass, have established a vertically integrated production system for glass yarn, glass cloth, epoxy resin, copper foil, copper-clad laminates, and printed circuit boards. To enhance market competitiveness, we have factories in Taiwan and China. The annual production is 72 million sheets for copper-clad laminates, 460,000 metric tons for epoxy resin, 89,000 metric tons for copper foil, 238,000 metric tons for glass fiber, and 618 million meters of glass fiber cloth. We are one of the largest electronic material plants in the world. As the continuous development and expansion of printed circuit boards, annual capacity, including the China plant, is 32.34 million square feet. Our company invested in Nanya Technology Corporation, which manufactures DRAM memory products with customer-oriented service. They work closely with our partners to adopt advanced technology, strengthen R&D in order to provide varieties of products and solutions to customers,
with more than 20 years experience in DRAM nanotechnology,
TV, set-top box, networking, tablet, automotive, industrial, low power, and specialty products. Nanya Technology offers up to 20 nanometer products and plans to enter the 10 nanometer class in the future as a key supplier in the global DRAM market. Regarding mechanical equipment and mechanical and electrical engineering, our Engineering and Construction Division is in charge of R&D and manufacturing chemical raw material equipment, plastics, fiber processing equipment, wheel sets, molds, screws, and sleeves. It has the ability to plan, design, manufacture, and install. In addition, we specialize in the production of various high and low voltage distribution panels, motor transformers, and vacuum electromagnetic contractor and other electrical equipment. Through international certification, our quality is affirmed by domestic and foreign customers. In response to energy-saving trends in recent years, we actively devote ourselves to the development of amorphous die-casting transformers and intelligent switchboards, and have become a leader in the industry. For overseas investment business, we have invested in manufacturing facilities in America, China, Vietnam, and Indonesia. For U.S. investment, we set up a flexible PVC sheet factory in Louisiana, which can produce 50,000 metric tons annually. The biggest U.S. rigid PVC sheet factory in Texas that produces 90,000 metric tons per year, and a Texas factory that produces 40,000 sets SMC courtyard doors and PVC door frames. In addition, we have a factory in South Carolina that produces 860,000 metric tons of polyester, and an upstream ethylene glycol plant with annual production of 360,000 metric tons in Texas, which is now the biggest polyester fiber plant in the U.S. In China, we have factories for flexible PVC sheets, rigid PVC sheets, nylon leathers, plastic pipes, and PVC compounds in Guangdong Province. In Huizhou City, we have PU synthetic leather, engineering compounds, PVC film, and copper foils substrate factories. In Xiamen City, Zhengzhou City, Wuhu City, and Dongying City, we have plastic pipes and fittings factories. In Nanton City, we have flexible PVC sheeting, rigid PVC film, rubber sheet, PU synthetic leather, PVC film, and switchboard factories. In Kunshan City, we have glass fiber cloth, epoxy resin, copper foil substrate, printed circuit board, polyester yarn, and knitted fabric factories. In Ningbo City, we have established PBA and plasticizer factories. We hope to enter the vast domestic market in China through complete planning and investment to expand our business territory. In Vietnam, we co-established the Formosa Industrial Corporation with Formosa Chemicals and Fiber Corporation. The main product is polyester pellet with an annual production of 270,000 metric tons, and other products include polyester cotton, SPP granules, and polyester silk. In addition, we invested in plastic processing products including BOPP film, PVC film, flexible PVC sheet, and PU synthetic leather. In Indonesia, we have a factory for flexible PVC sheet, rigid PVC sheet, and synthetic leather in Kota Semarang, and it is now one of the biggest factories in Indonesia. In terms of R&D, we keep developing new materials, new applications, and high value-added products with special properties to expand market application. Regular product displays are organized to promote sales, and we actively help downstream partners to solve difficulties regarding material design, quality, and lead time to enhance competitive advantage. Regarding environmental policy, all our production facilities are ISO 14001 certified. Our business philosophy values both industrial development and environmental protection. Our 3R philosophy stands for recycle, reuse, and reduce. We are devoted to environmentally friendly planning, promotion, and implementation. In addition to a great investment in pollution prevention measures, we promote a circular economy so that our requirements on environmental protections shall not only meet national standards, but world standards. In terms of capital expenditure, aside from participation in the group-led investment of the new EGOL3 plant in Texas and petrochemical joint venture expansion project in the state of Louisiana. We have, following market evaluations, expanded our investment in our domestic plants for the production of high-value copper foil, polyester film, and high-end PP synthetic paper. Among our overseas locations, the expansion project for our ethylene glycol unit in the U.S. and copper-clad laminate, fiberglass cloth, printed circuit board, BPA, and aluminum plastic film expansion projects in China are scheduled to contribute to our production capacity following project completion and bring the company increased momentum as well as enhanced sales performance. As for social responsibility, we value human-oriented attitudes and are committed to ensuring that all shareholders can obtain reasonable rewards and grow with customers. We expect ourselves to be a happy corporation, for all employees to be committed in work and life and contribute to the whole society. We keep enhancing company branding and carrying out virtuous cycles. Diligence, bottom up, seeking truth from facts, and absolute perfection are our core values. For more than 5 decades, we have kept pursuing innovation and development in all our business areas, strengthening international and multi-aspect planning to be a world-class scale as a leading character. In response to global trends, we will keep improving ourselves. In the future, we will keep offering quality products and service to society and play a more active role in the international platform. Thank you for your visit and comments.